Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best 3-tier organizer is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for decluttering any area of your home, from kitchens and pantries to bathrooms and craft rooms, offering a simple yet effective way to maximize vertical space and keep your essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to bring order and efficiency to their living or working environment. Number 5. SONGMICS 3-tier metal shoe rack ULSA 303B02. This shoe rack offers flexible storage options. You can stand it upright, flip it over for extra space underneath, or even stack multiple units to maximize vertical storage. It's surprisingly spacious, capable of holding up to 16 pairs of men's shoes or 20 pairs of women's shoes when used upside down. The optimal spacing even accommodates ankle boots. Constructed with quality plastic connectors and thick metal tubes, this organizer is robust and durable. Each tier can support up to 22 pounds, providing a reliable home for your footwear. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its simple structure, numbered parts, and clear instructions. No tools are required, making setup quick and easy. Maintaining its appearance is simple. The smooth coating allows for easy wiping with a damp cloth, saving you time and effort. What we like? This organizer offers incredible flexibility with its upright or upside-down configurations, and it's stackable for vertical storage. If you have a variety of shoe types or limited floor space, this is an excellent choice for maximizing your storage potential. Its robust construction ensures it can handle a substantial number of shoes, making it ideal for busy households. What people say? The organizer is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my kitchen. The tiered design allows for efficient use of space. Number 4. CAXXA 3-tier rolling metal storage organizer. Discover the ultimate solution for your storage needs. This versatile organizer is perfect for kitchens, craft rooms, offices, and so much more. Crafted with durable powder-coated steel frames and mesh baskets, it's built to withstand daily use. Enjoy reliable organization that stands the test of time. Featuring 3 spacious mesh basket shelves, it provides convenient storage for all your essentials. Keep everything tidy and within reach. Set up in just 10 minutes with no tools required. Its 4 heavy-duty casters, including 2 lockable ones, allow for easy movement and secure placement. With dimensions of 18.25D x 11.75W x 30.5H, it offers ample storage without taking up too much space. Its thoughtful design is a perfect fit for any room. What we like? This cart is designed for ultimate mobility and convenience with its rolling casters and easy assembly. If you need a flexible storage solution that can be moved around your home effortlessly, this is perfect for you. It's great for kitchens, craft rooms, or even as a mobile bar, adapting to wherever you need extra storage most. What people say? The organizer is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my kitchen. The tiers are deep enough to hold large bottles and containers. Number 3. Delamu 2-tier under sink organizer, 2-pack. Discover a smarter way to organize your home. These organizers are designed to fit perfectly under your sink or in cabinets, making the most of every inch. With smooth pull-out drawers and movable dividers, accessing your items has never been easier. Find what you need quickly and without hassle. Crafted from high-quality acrylic and durable materials, you can easily see everything inside. Keep your toiletries, cosmetics, and kitchen essentials neatly arranged. Need more storage? Simply stack them up to 3 high. They're perfect for pantries, bathrooms, and kitchens, holding everything from spice jars to snacks. Designed with anti-slip stoppers and sturdy aluminum alloy rods, these organizers stay put and are built for long-lasting use. Assembly is quick and easy. Choose the perfect fit for your space. Available in 2 convenient sizes, they adapt to your specific storage needs, whether it's for your bathroom or kitchen. What we like? This organizer set features convenient pull-out drawers and a stackable design, allowing for highly customizable storage. If you're looking to organize smaller items like toiletries, cosmetics, or pantry staples with easy access, this is the ideal solution. Its clear acrylic construction means you can see everything at a glance, making it perfect for bathrooms or kitchens where quick retrieval is key. What people say. Both shelves slide out. Taller bottles can fit on the bottom if you tilt them in. These organizers were very easy to put together and are surprisingly nice quality. The shelves feel sturdy, and the movable dividers fit snugly in place, which helps keep everything organized and prevents items from tipping over. I really like how smoothly the drawers pull out and how clean they look under the sink. Great for under the bathroom sink organization for my toddler's bathroom. Holds a lot, put these together quickly, the shelves slide out with ease and it's nice quality. Number 2. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Tired of clutter? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow spaces, maximizing every inch of your home. Its smart tiered design ensures a spot for items of all sizes, and with swivel casters, organization is effortless. Setting it up is a breeze. No tools are needed, and assembly takes less than 10 minutes. You can customize the layout with removable dividers and even convert it to a stationary shelf by removing the wheels. Despite being lightweight for easy portability, each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds. The breathable mesh design prevents water pooling and keeps your items dry, preventing rust. This one cart offers endless uses throughout your home. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, small spaces, and more, solving storage headaches in 8 key areas. Its narrow, tall profile is designed for maximum stability when placed against a wall or between furniture. Use it to efficiently organize awkward nooks and crannies. What we like? This slim storage cart is specifically designed to maximize every inch of your space, fitting perfectly into narrow gaps. If you have awkward nooks or tight spaces in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, this is the perfect solution to utilize that often wasted area. Its breathable mesh design also helps keep items dry and prevents odors, making it great for cleaning supplies or toiletries. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. This cart is the kind of product that turns it into instant storage without taking up much room. The biggest selling point is how slim and mobile it is. It fits perfectly between cabinets, next to the washer, or beside a bathroom vanity, places where most storage units just won't work. Number 1. MIOCASA 3-Tier Metal Utility Rolling Cart. Introducing a versatile rolling cart designed to bring neatness and elegance to any room. It's perfect for keeping your office, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom tidy. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame and a rust-resistant finish, this cart is built for durability. Each shelf supports up to 71 pounds, easily handling your everyday storage needs. Navigate your space with ease thanks to the 4 360-degree rotating rubber wheels. They provide smooth, flexible, and quiet movement wherever you need it. Get set up in minutes. This cart comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions for a quick and hassle-free assembly, typically within 10 to 15 minutes. Customize your storage experience. You can adjust the shelves or even remove the handle to perfectly meet your diverse storage requirements. Measuring 13.39D x 18.07W x 30.98H, it offers ample storage without taking up too much space. Its lockable casters ensure it stays put when you need it to. What we like? This utility cart boasts a heavy-duty construction with a high load capacity and lockable casters for stability. If you need a robust and reliable storage solution that can handle significant weight, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for heavier items in a kitchen, office, or even a workshop, offering both mobility and dependable storage. What people say. It rolls easily and is light enough for her to move around from carpet to hardwood floor with no trouble. This cart is an easy and fast solution to my storage problems. The shelves are adjustable, which is a great feature, and it was easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.